If you're experiencing crashing issues with The Sims 4, follow these steps to help resolve the problem quickly. This guide will assist you in calibrating your game settings for optimal performance. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Launch the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve stability. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or adjusting game settings for better performance. Step 3. Disable mods and custom content. If you have mods or custom content installed, disable them temporarily. Go to the game options and uncheck the box for enabling mods. Restart the game to see if the crashing issue persists. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the repair function in the game launcher. Right-click on The Sims 4 in your game library and select Repair. This process will fix any corrupted files that may be causing the crashes. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. Reducing settings like texture quality, shadows, and reflections can help improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game support for further assistance.